Many people don't realize that the first hour of your morning can quietly shape your health, your energy, and even your longevity. In today's video, we uncover 7 common, but often overlooked, morning mistakes many seniors over 60 make every single day. These small habits can increase the risk of dizziness, falls, heart strain, fatigue, and long-term health issues. More importantly, we'll guide you through simple, practical corrections that can transform your entire day. If you want to feel stronger, steadier, and more in control of your mornings, this video will give you the clarity and confidence you need. If you find value in this content, please remember to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Have you ever wondered why some mornings feel harder than others, even when nothing seems wrong? Why your body feels stiff, your balance feels off, or your heart seems to beat a little heavier? For many people over 60, the most dangerous part of the day isn't the afternoon or evening. It's the first 30 minutes after waking up. And what makes it risky is that most of the mistakes are small, silent, and incredibly easy to overlook. Today, we're going to explore 7 morning habits that may be putting your health at risk without you even realizing it. And more importantly, I'll show you simple fixes that can help you feel stronger, steadier, and more energized from the moment you open your eyes. Let's get started. 1. Getting out of bed too quickly. One of the most common and most dangerous morning mistakes is standing up immediately after waking. As we age, blood pressure naturally becomes slower to adjust. When you rise too fast, blood rushes downward and your brain gets less oxygen for a few seconds. This leads to dizziness, and for many seniors, dangerous falls. Example story. Take Susan, 72, who shared that she once blacked out for 2 seconds after jumping out of bed to answer phone. She didn't fall, but it scared her enough to change her routine forever. Fix. Think of it as a 30-second rule. Sit up slowly. Place your feet on the ground. Breathe. Let your body catch up. Only stand when you feel steady. This simple pause can prevent the #1 cause of morning falls. 2. Skipping morning hydration. After sleeping 6 to 8 hours, your body wakes up slightly dehydrated. For seniors, dehydration can lead to headaches, fatigue, confusion, and even higher heart strain. Story example. John, 68, noticed he always felt sluggish in the morning. His doctor later explained he wasn't drinking enough water after waking. When he added a single glass of water before breakfast, his energy improved dramatically. Fix. Place a glass of water by your bedside or in your kitchen. Drink it within the first 10 minutes of waking. Your brain and your circulation will thank you. 3. Drinking coffee before having food or water. Coffee is comforting, but for many seniors, drinking on an empty stomach can cause sudden blood pressure spikes, acid reflux, jitters, or irregular heartbeat, morning anxiety. Story example. Mary, 70, loved starting her day with coffee, but she often felt shaky afterward. Once she switched to drinking water first, then having coffee with a light snack, the shakiness disappeared. Fix. Drink water first. Eat something small, like a banana, yogurt, or a handful of nuts, before or with your coffee. You can still enjoy your coffee. Just let your stomach prepare for it. 4. Ignoring morning stiffness. Waking up stiff is normal with age, but ignoring can lead to muscle pulls, joint pain, and increased risk of tripping. Many seniors take their first steps of the day with cold, tight muscles. It's like trying to start a car without letting the engine warm up. Story example. Frank, 75, used a limp for the first 20 minutes of the morning. His physical therapist taught him 3 simple stretches he could do while sitting on the edge of his bed. After a week, the limp disappeared. Fix. Before you stand up, roll your shoulders, rotate your ankles, stretch your legs, flex your feet, take slow, deep breaths. Just 2 minutes of gentle movement can dramatically reduce stiffness and the risk of injury. 5. Skipping breakfast. Many people over 60 think, "I'm not hungry yet," and delay eating until late morning. But skipping breakfast can cause blood sugar dips, irritability, fatigue, poor concentration, midday overeating. Story example. Linda, 66, kept wondering why she always felt weak around 10 a.m. Her doctor explained that her body needed steady fuel earlier. A simple breakfast of eggs and fruit made her mornings easier and far more stable. Fix. You don't need a big breakfast, just a balanced one. Protein plus fiber plus healthy fat. For example, Greek yogurt plus berries. Whole grain toast plus peanut butter. Oatmeal plus walnuts. Your body needs energy to start the day. Breakfast gives a direction. 6. Taking morning medications incorrectly. This is one of the most overlooked morning dangers, and it affects millions of older adults. Taking medications at the wrong time, without food, with coffee, or mixed with the wrong supplements can reduce their effectiveness or cause side effects. Story example: Robert, 74, used to take all his pills at once to get over with. After experiencing dizziness, his pharmacist explained that 2 of his medications shouldn't be taken together. Adjusting his schedule changed everything. Fix. Always follow the labels. Never mix medications with your first cup of coffee unless your doctor approves. Use a pill organizer. And when in doubt, ask your pharmacist. They are your best ally. 7. Starting the day with stress or screens. Your brain in the morning is tender like soft clay. What you expose it to shapes your entire day. But many seniors immediately check the news, messages, or social media. This can trigger stress, worry, or even a spike in blood pressure. Story example: Helen, 69, realized that her mood was ruined almost every day because she checked the news before getting out of bed. When she replaced this with a morning walk outside her house, she felt calmer and happier. Fix. Give yourself at least 20 minutes of screen-free time after waking. Replace it with stretching, simple breathing, a warm shower, light music, a morning walk. Your emotional health sets the tone for your physical health. Morning is the foundation of your entire day. And for anyone over 60, the small habits you create can protect your body, sharpen your mind, and give you a sense of calm and control. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these morning mistakes surprise you the most? Which one do you want to fix starting tomorrow morning? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experience may help someone else. If you found this video helpful, please give a like, subscribe for more health and wellness tips, and share with someone who wants to live a stronger, safer, and happier life after 60. You deserve mornings that feel good, and with just a few changes, you can have them.